Good morning, children. Children, I welcome you to today's session of computers. And today we will be studying chapter third, which is parts of computers, right? And this chapter is equally important as it is to study about computers because it is basically comprises of some parts which individually have specific functions, right? So see, there is a small discussion going on. It's fun to know about computers, but I'm confused. I do not know how to use different parts of a computer. And see, the child is saying, don't worry, Chintu, I will explain it to you. So let's start. And see what are this chapter includes monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, and other devices. We have different parts like hands, legs, ears, nose, eyes. Same way computer has many parts, right? So children, कंप्यूटर के ढेर सारे पार्ट्स होते हैं. Let us see the parts of the computer and see this diagram, all of you here. See, these are the parts of computers: monitor, CPU, printer, mouse, and keyboard. These are the five major parts of any computer, right? I hope everybody amongst you would have seen this also. Now, monitor. I am a monitor, right? Have you all seen this? I'm sure you would have. A monitor looks like a television. See this picture here? Doesn't it looks like a TV? Right? LED TV, I'm sure. We can see pictures on a monitor. We can watch movies, play games, and see it on monitor. It shows the work we do on computer. Means whatever typing work we do on the keyboard or whatever thing we have to run anything, the display is done on the monitor. Now, this is CPU. See, children, this box is CPU. Many a times we find it under the table, in a corner it is placed, or there is some cabin for it, or maybe on the left or right of the computer, it is screen it is placed. I am the brain of the computer. I am present inside the CPU box. Now keyboard, I am sure everybody is familiar with this. It is there in the mobiles also. Keyboard has many keys. It is used to type letters or numbers, right? Whenever we type anything, it is done on the keyboard. You will say that nowadays a touch screen is there, but whenever we touch the screen, keyboard appears, right? Mouse, we can point and select using mouse. We can move mouse on a mouse pad. It has two or three buttons. Now children, nowadays most of the operations are done through mouse, right? If it's a graphic user interface, then mouse is very effective. So once again I'm going through. We can point and select using mouse. We can move mouse on a mouse pad. It is a small hard pad or over which mouse is kept. It has two or three buttons. We can draw pictures using mouse. We can play games with the help of mouse by clicking it. One more thing, children, see, mouse can is of two types. One which is linked with the computer through a wire, the other one which is not linked with the computer through a wire but by some Bluetooth device or something else, right? Additional devices, there are some. Now these are speakers through which we hear some songs or whatever is spoken there. Scanner through which some piece of paper is scanned and we can have printout of that also, or we can see it on the screen also. And then this is printer, through which various printouts, types of printouts can be taken. It can be a photograph, it can be some written material, right? And we all have used these things. Now we come to storage devices, right? And I'm sure everybody would have seen pen drive or a data card, right? So pen drive, we all know, is of various sizes, and then we have data card. Okay, so with that we come to the end of this chapter. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did in making it, and until we meet again, it's a goodbye.